Boys and girls, today we're going to talk about some tools that scientists use, and some of you already know them because we've done them before. And then we're going to use those tools to do a little experiment, okay? Now, here I have a container of water. What color is the water?
Blue.
Blue. Does anyone remember what this thing is that's holding the water? It is a tube. You know what kind of tube? A test tube. Great job, Madison. Okay, so a test tube is a container that a scientist can use to hold liquids. All right. Now, does anyone remember what this is?
Yeah. A teething cup.
It starts with the letter F. Remember? I'll tell you. This is called a funnel. Can you say funnel?
Funnel.
Good. Now, a scientist uses a funnel to pour things into small places so that they don't spill them. Okay, so we're going to use a funnel today. We're also going to use a dropper. Okay? Everyone say dropper?
Dropper.
Now, another word for a dropper is called a pipette. Can you say pipette?
Pipette.
So we can call this a dropper or a pipette. Now, another thing scientists do is they make predictions. Everyone say prediction.
Prediction.
A prediction is the same thing as a guess. We're going to make a guess and we're going to see if we're right. Now, it's okay if we make a prediction and it's wrong. Our guess is wrong because we're going to learn something by doing it, by finding out. Okay? Now, what we're going to do today is I have this little container and it has numbers on it. This is called a graduated cylinder. It has numbers and the numbers go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay? What we're going to do is we are going to predict how many pipettes it's going to take to get to the number 40. Now, to use my pipette, the first thing I do is I squeeze to squeeze the air out. I put it in my water and I let go, and the air around us is going to push the water in. Okay, so this is one pipette. You see how much that took? One? Well, we're trying to get to the number 40, which is right here. Okay, so we're going to go around the table in a minute, and we're going to let everyone make a guess. How many one pipette's full will it take to get to 40? So, Marley, how many do you think it's going to take? If this is one, how many of these is it going to take to make 40? What do you think?
5.
5? What do you think?
Maybe 100.
100? What do you think? 40, and you said 5. Okay, what do you think, Carlos? 2. What do you think? 1.
59.
59.
6.
6.
100.
100.
80.
80. How many do you think, Brian? You want to think about it? Let me know. How many do you think? Not enough? Okay, what do you think? How many? Guess a number. Okay, what do you think? 5. Okay, so now, Miss Wanda, come and help me here. Miss Wanda's going to hold this for me. And we're only going to count when the pipette squeezes out. Okay, so how many do we already have here? 1. Now how many? 2. Now how many? 3. Now how many?
4. 5. 6. 7.
Okay, can you look and see what number that is? What's that first number?
20.
20, okay? So far we have 7 and it got to 20. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it at 40 yet?
No.
No, right? 14, 15, 16, 17. Is it at 40 yet?
Yes.
Okay, we're at 40. So it took 17. All right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my water back. What is this called?
A test.
That's a test tube. What is this called? Starts with the letter F.
A funnel.
Funnel. I'm going to put my funnel in my test tube and I'm going to pour it back. All right? Now it's your turn. Everybody turn around if you turn your chair. And remember to use your pipette. Squeeze all the air out first. Put it in the water and let go. All right? Go ahead and you guys get to 60. Everybody find the number 60. Okay? Right there. Good.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Yeah, you can. We'll help you.
How do you get a lot?
I'm going to show you.
I found 60.
Watch. Squeeze. Put it in.
So you have to
Let
put
go.
it in.
And I found 60.
Okay?
Okay.
Squeeze. Let go. Open.
Wait.
Good. And squeeze.
And then let it go.
Now squeeze.
And now.
Open.
You see? You got it.
And squeeze.
I'm doing it.
Good job. Everyone's doing it. Okay, when you get to 60, it's going to take a lot to get to 60. When you get to 60, say, I'm at 60, so we can come and check.
Is this 60?